Guys, today we talk about Xiaomi Poco F6. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Xiaomi Poco F6: height 6.32 inch with 2.93 inch, thickness 8 mm, the weight is 179 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Poco F6, it comes with AMOLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.67 inches with 89.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1220 by 2712, means 1.5K, and the PPI density is 446. The refresh rate of Poco F6, it comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 2000 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Poco F6, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victor screen protection. The platform of Poco F6, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X34. And the GPU, it comes with Adreno 735 GPU. The memory of Poco F6 is 8GB and 12GB of RAM and 256 512GB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Poco F6, it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide. The selfie camera is 20 megapixel and it records 4K 60 fps video with main camera and 1080 60 fps video with selfie camera. The battery backup of Poco F6, it comes with 5000 mAh battery and 90 watt fast wire charging. No wireless charging, no reverse charging in this mobile. The commons and the features, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, infrared port, USB Type-C, stereo speaker, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP64 dust and water resistant. And the price of Xiaomi Poco F6 is $389.